Hi there, Carl Massy here, coach, strategist and author of 5 books, the most recent book being Decision Making Mastery, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about the Life Masterclass online seminar. I've been running it for 5 years. It's a 2.5-day event, live in Australia, Bali, Germany, but since 2020 things have sort of gone into a little bit more of an online flavour for now. Now I've written those 5 books, researched them. Everything from that is put into this Life Masterclass online series. Everything I've learned over the last 20 years, whether it was, well, longer than 20 years, whether it's the 14 years I was an officer in the army, 5 years consulting to Olympic Games around the world, 14 years coaching multi-millionaires, gold medalist, world record holders in lots of different things, a broad range of people. So all of that stuff going in. And I call myself a strategist, and this Life Masterclass is strategically designed to work on 4 principal areas, 3 particular categories, and then 1 foundation piece. So the first thing is processing limiting beliefs. What I've found working with numerous clients over the years is if we can identify the core limiting beliefs and actually create a shift on that from the inside out, the world bends around us differently. It's hugely impactful. So just that singular piece of the Life Masterclass can change the course of your life irrevocably. The second piece is getting clear about what you really want, not what someone else wants for you, what someone else behind you wanted for you, but what you really want. So really getting clear about what is it that I truly want. So it starts sort of firing up everything, conscious and subconscious, taking you towards what it is you want. The third piece is about how do you show up day in and day out to create a successful day. What are the things you can do emotionally? What are the things you can do physically? What are the things behaviorally? How do you need to show up? How can you be more productive? How can you be more effective? How can you get even greater results? And the fourth piece I talked about is entangled in this optimizing your day, and it's like, what's the foundation you're building on? And I'm very big on daily rituals. So a big piece of the Life Masterclass is looking at what are the daily rituals that I've identified through all of the work I've done over the last 20 plus years that have the biggest return on investment. And that's what's into this program. So the program is packed with stuff. It's designed around the 2.5-day live workshop, but I'm recommending that you stretch it out to 4 or 5 weeks because there's a lot of content, and if you can let these things settle and work through them over the course of the week so you really integrate them into your being, they become the way you show up, the way you do things, and you'll get the results accordingly. So again, some awesome content there. I'm a huge believer in the quality of this. I've dropped the price down to a extremely accessible number. And even more accessible than that, if you don't get out of this program, what you'd like to get out of it, money back guarantee, no questions asked. I know there's some awesome stuff in there. I know if you commit yourself to doing the work in that, like the hundreds of other people that have done the live event, you will get a significant shift happening in your life. Physically, mentally, psychologically, even spiritually. It really is a game changer in that. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a look at the video that shows you how the program is set online so you can see the quality of the presentation, production and all of that sort of stuff. It's top end, so you'll get the absolute most out of it. And there's a bucket load of bonuses in there, whether it's copies of my audio books, whether it's other resources in there, whether it's presentations I've done, some amazing content in there. So do check it out. Again, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And as I said, money back guarantee if it's not exactly what you thought you would get out of it. But I know for a fact, if you do the belief switch work, you're in a different direction. You're in a different space. You are taking a whole lot of weight off your shoulders and empowering yourself with new energy. So have a fantastic time with it. I look forward to serving you. Have a fantastic day wherever you are on this beautiful planet. I'm here in Bali. But wherever you are, have a fantastic day and take care.